Hello guys, it's been a while. It's Zach again with a new interesting tech video. So I've been getting a request to make JioPhone hard reset video. So we have this phone here. We'll check the model. So the model is, as you all can see, wait a second. So it's F81E. So there are various number of models of Jio you can make. So if you guys are facing any kind of restart issue or any kind of hang issue, it is due to JioPhone memory full. So what you can do, you can hard reset. So hard reset is a combination of two keys. So in several models you need to press power button plus 1, but in this model we have the combination of power button and 8. So what I'll do, I'll just hold on the power button and 8 button. Now it's getting started. Now what you need to do, you don't need to hold it like I did right now. You need to do first I'll reset again. You need to take out the battery and plug it again. You need to press the power button and 8 button. When you see the logo, just hold the 8 button, then leave the power button. Now you will see this triangle which shows you the software update. So you need to press the back button, which is the power button again, then you will get this option. So I've been researching on YouTube and found out that many of them are not showing this thing. When you get a triangle sign, you need to press the back button and power button, then you'll get this option. Then the same, which is same for all handsets, you need to wipe data / factory reset. You need to press power button again to select it. Now remember, this will wipe all your phone data, contact, media and all that. So once again, what you need to do, you need to select yes, I am ready to wipe all the data. Sorry, there's a camera issue. So you need to select it by power button itself. Now you can see the process is going on. Now the process has been done and the data wipe is complete. You need to reboot it. You will get this option here, reboot the system now, the first option. I'll select the reboot system now. Now it's done. Now once it is restarted again, you will get the setup option as like it was new. So you'll get a language option and your phone has been reset and your problem of auto restart and hang issue or heat issue is resolved. We'll wait for a while. I'll not cut out this video so that you can see the whole process, or else you guys think like it has been an edited video. I'm not cutting out any of the part of the video. I'll let you go throughout the video. If you feel the process is fast, you can just increase the video speed to 1.5 or 1.75. Now I hear the sound. The phone has been resetted. Okay, I think it's done. So now soon I'll get an option to set the language. Here you can see. Next, I'll accept the license of Life and iOS. Now it's done. My handset is on and it's new. So if this video helped you guys, please press the like button and subscribe my channel. And please request, because I'm not able to make more videos, so please request so that I can research and make more helpful videos for you guys. Thank you. Bye bye.